In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust size of multiple rows and columns evenly in Google Sheets. If your sheet looks a little messy because some columns are too narrow and some rows are too tall, this quick method will make everything consistent. Start by opening your spreadsheet in Google Sheets so you can see the column letters across the top and the row numbers along the left. First, let's make several columns the same width. Click the letter at the top of the first column you want to resize. To select a range of neighboring columns, hold Shift and click the last column in that range. If you need to select columns that aren't next to each other, hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac and click each column letter you want. With those columns highlighted, move your mouse to the line between any two selected column letters in the header area. When you're exactly on that boundary, your cursor changes to a left-right double arrow. That's your signal you're on the resizing handle. Click and drag to the left to make the columns narrower or to the right to make them wider. Because multiple columns are selected, they'll all change together to the exact same width. Release the mouse when the preview looks right. Now let's do the same for rows. Click a row number to select it, then shift-click to select a block of neighboring rows, or use Control or Command to pick non-adjacent rows. With those rows highlighted, hover your mouse on the line between any two selected row numbers on the left edge. The cursor changes to an up-down double arrow, indicating the row resize handle. Click and drag upward to reduce the height or downward to increase it, and all selected rows will adjust evenly to match. Let go when you're satisfied with the spacing. A few helpful tips as you work. Selecting before you drag is the key to keeping things uniform, so make sure the headers or row numbers you want are highlighted first. If you go too far or not far enough, you can always press Control or Command plus Z to undo and try again. For readability, avoid compressing columns so much that text gets cut off. A modest width usually keeps data clear. And if you're preparing a clean report, it often helps to resize columns first, then adjust row heights to balance the layout. That's it. With a quick select, hover, and drag, you can make multiple columns and rows the exact same size and keep your Google Sheets neat and professional.